So today I want to talk about something we all deal with, but we don't talk about it openly. It is the habit of lust. Yeah, it's normal, it's human, but the problem is when it controlling you, you don't care about anything else, which is very wrong. Today's youth, we are constantly exposed to social media, short videos. Everything is designed to grab your attention, and slowly, without even realizing, our focus start going down. We lose control to our time. We lose control to our time, our precious energy. And the worst part is it gives instant pleasure, but it is not long term. Like you feel good for a moment, but later you feel low energy, even guilt sometimes. So, what we can do? First, be aware. Don't ignore it. Don't pretend that it's not there. Understand when your mind is drifting. Second, control your environment. What you watch, what you scroll, it matters a lot. If you keep feeding your mind wrong things, it will keep asking you for more. Therefore, stop it today. And third, replace the habit. You can't just stop something, you have to replace it. Go for a walk, work out, focus on skills, use that same energy in a better direction. Because the truth is, the same energy, if controlled, actually make your future better. Most people lose their focus here. They waste their best years on temporary pleasures. Don't be one of them. Take control slowly, step by step. You don't have to be perfect. Just be little better every day. Because in the end, it's not about fighting yourself, it's about mastering yourself. When you learn to control your desire, you start making control on your life. So that was all for today's video. I hope it added some value in your life and you will try to change this habit of yours. Thank you for watching, and always remember, we all have to be the change to see the change. Bye.